In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can uninstall Valorant on a Windows 11 PC. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But getting into it, if you currently have Valorant installed, you'll also have the Riot client, which is the launcher used to run the game. Whenever you do open that up, you'll usually land on the home page or directly on the Valorant page, and if you select your profile icon up in the top right corner and go into your settings on there, you'll notice that there is no option to actually uninstall the game. To fully uninstall it, you're going to want to close out of the Riot client and then select this little arrow down on the Windows taskbar just to make sure that Riot isn't running in the background. If it is, right click on the app and then hit exit, just like I'm doing with the Nvidia app. But after you go ahead and exit out of that, go ahead and go to this Windows search bar and type in add or remove programs and hit enter. It's going to take you to a page that looks like this, and up in the very top you're going to see a little search app section right here. Go ahead and type in Valorant. Now I actually just uninstalled Valorant in my last video, so we're going to use Call of Duty Black Ops 3 as an example, but essentially when you search up Valorant, it's going to pop up here. Go ahead and select the three dots next to Valorant and go ahead and hit uninstall on here. It's going to pull up a new page to confirm it, and after you do confirm it by hitting uninstall again, it's going to begin uninstalling from your PC. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.